Hi guys, it's Danielle Kartes, and today, today I'm gonna be shopping for the holidays. You know how it goes. You've got family in town, all kinds of mouths to feed, but you have the same budget, because money ain't materializing. The very front of the grocery store has always got great sales. We need green onions, we need lettuce, we need radishes. I could literally get one from everything over here and we would still be saving a ton of money as opposed to buying anything packaged. This is where your meals come to life, in the produce section. Okay, you know how I feel about a chicken thigh. I'll take it over a chicken breast any day, especially for the price. So I swap chicken thighs for every breast recipe, and they're moist, they're tender, and you can never overcook a chicken thigh. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Chow mein noodles are $4 a package. We're gonna use spaghetti noodles. How cool is that? We're gonna save ourselves $3 a package. I found asparagus for $1.99 at Trader Joe's. The first night you have guests in, you wanna have a dinner that is nourishing, delicious, cooks all day, and is easy. So I picked a super budget-friendly ragu. We're doing a country pork ragu. I picked up some organic linguine that was on sale for 99 cents a piece. This entire dinner for 10 is gonna cost us all of $6. Night number 2, we're rolling over that ragu and we're actually going to turn it into shakshuka. Shakshuka is eggs simmered in tomato sauce. It's incredible. Night number 3, we're taking our classic pork spare ribs, $1.99 a pound, and we're gonna turn those into a classic braise. Night number 4, we're actually going to make sheet pan nachos. So corn chips are super cheap. So I get things like beans, 89 cents a can, organic, tomatoes, diced tomatoes. You only need a couple and dice them up tiny. Green onions, cilantro. Night number 5, we're gonna do the sweet, crispy, delicious, salty chicken, and we're gonna do chow mein. I think this entire meal rounds up at $10. Have you ever gone to a restaurant where they serve this caramelized, delicious, sticky, spicy chicken, and it's in a lettuce cup and you can put whatever nuts you have? This recipe is delicious. And our final meal, so incredibly easy. Another egg dish, sausage, broccoli, frittata. You've got yourself 7 awesome meals with odds and ends for 8 to 10 people. Happy holidays.
Danielle, just so you know, Danielle is putting up 7, a legit week.
Legit.
7 recipes that you guys can make for the $100 that she spent.
Yeah.
All of those are downloadable on our website.